Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is Achilles tendon. Achilles tendon. Achilles tendon. Achilles tendon is the thick, strong band of connective tissue that connects the calf muscles to the heel bone, calcaneus. It is one of the most important tendons in the human body, essential for activities like walking, running, and jumping. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Sports medicine specialists often treat Achilles tendon issues in athletes. Why Achilles tendon is used in example number 1. Achilles tendon is used in the context of sports-related medical care. Example number 2. Consult a fitness trainer to ensure your exercise routine is gentle on the Achilles tendon. Why Achilles tendon is used in example number 2. Achilles tendon is referenced to emphasize the importance of exercise safety. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.